ParisRhone Air Purifier review. Is it worth buying? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the ParisRhone Air Purifier. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to buy the air purifiers right here from ParisRhone. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So currently I'm in the ParisRhone website. So let's check out their air purifiers right here in home appliances. Let's just click on air purifier and let's check all of their air purifiers. So here is their air purifier right here, which is the AP010 with UVC light sanitizer purifier with 3-in-1 true HEPA fits. So here are its specs. So it has a 3-stage filtration. So it has washable pre-filter, activated carbon, and true HEPA filter capture that captures 99.97% of particles. It has UVC light as well that eliminates bacteria and viruses for safer air. And it also has power performance, which covers up to 675 feet in 30 minutes with a CADR of 120 CFM. And it also operates quietly. So it's quiet as low as 24 decibels. And of course, it's user-friendly. It includes an energy-saving timer, memory function, and filter indicator. So yeah, so as you can see right here, the specs for the air purifier is pretty good. So it also has reviews right here at the bottom. So people have rated 5 stars over here. So here's what Maynard Duncan has to say, which is also a verified purchase. So here's what Maynard has to say. So far, so good. I have one in my bedroom and one in the basement, and they seem to be doing a great job. I wish I had bought a few more. So yeah, so as you can see right here that people are loving the air purifier. And they also mentioned that they should buy more since it's really good and helpful. So yeah, so if you want to buy this air purifier with a special discount or special promo, again, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review for the ParisRhone Air Purifier. So yeah, so if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.